Are you frustrated that your offers aren't getting accepted? My clients are winning their offers. Experience matters. Who you hire as a realtor can change how competitive your offer is. As a top listing broker, I see a lot of offers and I see all the terms and I know what works. I can let you know what works and what doesn't. Your lender makes a difference. Having a reputable local lender makes a difference, and you should be pre-approved, not pre-qualified. A shorter closing can make a difference. You should talk to the listing agent and find out what the seller wants and maybe even consider doing a rent back. Finding out what the seller wants is important and then give it to them. So the highest due diligence fee you can offer and the shortest due diligence period you can do is really important. If you do that, you can make your earnest money deposit a little bit smaller. If you want to be super aggressive, you may even waive the due diligence period completely or do an appraisal waiver. So really, at the end of it, the seller holds the cards. So be nice. You want them to say, pick me, pick me, pick me. I make sure I go through every option with my buyer clients. If this is a house they really want, we may change direction, but whatever their goals are my goals. My offers get accepted. I have several other factors that we take into account, and if you're serious about buying, reach out and we can make it happen.